Hello guys, this is your boy Mr. TSEBE and welcome to my session. Today we're going to be doing binomial theorem. So suppose that we are given something like this, x plus y all raised to the power 10, and then they're asking us to expand this using binomial theorem. But what does my binomial theorem say? Binomial theorem, it says x plus y to the power 10 equals to the summation of n equals to 10, r equals to 0, which runs from 0 to n, but my n is 10. So this is what I'm going to be having 0, 1. It runs from 0, 1 all the way to 10. And then my n is going to be 10. And then my r is going to be 0, 1 all the way to 10. This is it. But my x equals to n minus r, and then this will be y to the exponent r. So this is my binomial theorem. So we know that n and r are element of natural numbers. But if we can check x and y, these ones are element of real numbers. Those ones are element of real numbers. So how can we compute this? We start by saying 10 combination 0. This is a 10 combination of 0. 10 combination of 0, let me just write it like this. If you can 10 combination 0, I will show you the trick using a calculator, how to find combinations. So it's going to be x, but what is my n? My n is 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0, which will be 10 minus 0. But this is my y. But what is my r? What is my r? My r is 0. Plus, so I'm going to be having 10 combination 1 multiplied by x. What is my n? My n is 10 minus r, and then r is 1, which is my r is 1, which is just 9. Y 1, this one, according to our formula, plus 10 combination 2. So this will be x 10 minus 2, y to the power 2. But what is this? This is just 8. This is just 8, y2. So plus it's gonna be 10 combination 3 all the way to combination of 10. So it's going to be x to the power 10 minus 3, which will be just 7. Y to the power 3 plus 10 to the combination 4, x 10 minus 4, which is just 6, y to the power 4 plus 10 to the combination 5, which will be 10 minus 5, which will be x to the exponent 5 and y to the exponent 5, because of this is my r, plus 10 combination 4, sorry, 10 combination 6. So but this is my x, 10 minus 6 is 4, so my y to the power 6 plus 10 combination 7. 10 minus 7 is 3, which is x to the power 3, y to the power 7, plus 10 combination 8. 10 minus 8 is 2, so x is 2, y to the power 8, plus 10 combination 9. And then 10 minus 9 is just x to the exponent 1, but y to the exponent 9. Y to the exponent 9. So we're going to add 10 to the combination 10. So x is just 0, because of 10 minus 10 is 0, and then y to the power 10. So this is how it is. So this is how it is. So I can say x plus y to the power 10 equals to this thing. This thing I'm going to leave it. So you are going to press 10 and you press shift and then you press division. You press division. It will lead you to something like C. It will be 10 C. The C is something like this, and then you press 0, and then it will give you 10 shift division 0, which is just 1. This is how you get the combinations. So you press your number and you press shift. Let me just write it like this. Let me just say this will be your A and then this will be your B. So you're going to say A and then you press shift on your calculator and then you press division. Shift division. Then you press your number again, which will be your B. So this is how we get combinations. So 10 combination of 0 is 1. But this will be to the power x to the exponent 10. Y to the power 0 is just 1. But what is 10 to the combination 1? 10 combination 1 is just 10. X to the 9 and y1 plus 10 to the combination 2 is 45. So it's going to be 45 x to the power 8 y squared plus 10 to the power 3, which will be 120 x to the power 7 y to the power 3 is this part, plus 10 to the combination 4, which will be 210 x to the power 6 y to the power 4, plus 10 to the combination 5, which will be 252, which will be 252 x5 y5, plus 10 to the combination 6, which is just 210. So you'll realize something. From here, these combinations will start going to 120, all 45, 10, and x. So once it gives you a number which is repeating, you can just leave out the rest and write these numbers, because of that's what it's going to give you. See, this will be 210 is a combination of 6 over x to the power 4 y to the power 6. I can just erase this part. Y to the power 6. So 10 to the power 7 is just 120. X to the power 3, y to the power 7 is this 120. So I can just write this 45 here because of this repeating is going back. But this 45 will be for 8. So it's going to be x squared y 8 plus 10, which is 10 combination of 9, which is x1 y9 plus 1 is just 1, this one, which is just this one. 10 combination of 10 is 1. X to the power 0 is 1. It's just y to the power 10. So you have expanded using binomial theorem for this part. So that's how you use binomial theorem. That's how you use binomial theorem. So let's take another. So guys, let's take another example. Suppose that we are given something like this. All to the power 5, and then they're asking us to expand using binomial theorem. So this is what we're gonna do, but we know our binomial theorem is n equals to 5 are from 0 all the way to 5, which is our n. So which is the same as 5, 0, 1 all the way to 5, which is our n. X n minus 1 r y r. This is our formula. So how can we do this? So we are going to take this whole part and we are going to make it x, and then we are going to take this whole part and we are going to make it y, so that it can be simple for us to compute. So we'll start from binomial theorem of 5 combination of 0. But what is my x? X is 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0, which is just 5. But what is my y? My y is 0. Plus, we start again from 5 to 1. So what is my x? So it's going to be 5 minus 1, which is just 4. But my y will be 1. Plus 5 combination 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Y to the exponent 2. Plus 5 combination 3. 5 minus 3 is x squared. Y to the power 3. Plus 5 combination 4. So 5 minus 4 is just 1. And y to the exponent 4. Plus 5 combination 5. 5 combination 5 minus 5 is 0. But y is to the 5. So this is how we do combinations. So you can use your own calculator. 5 combination 0 is just 1. It's just 1 multiplied x to the exponent 5. This y, no need to write it. Plus 5 combination 1, it's 5. X to the 4, y. No need to write this one. 5 combination 2, it's 10. Right? 5 combination 2 is 10. X to the exponent 3. And y to the exponent 3. 5 combination 3 is also 10. It's repeating right now. X to the exponent 2, y to the exponent 3. Plus is going to 5. So it's going to be 5, which will be this one. X and y 4. And it will go to 1, which will just be my y to the 5. Y to the 5. But what is x? What is x? X is 2x to the 5 plus 2x to the 4. But what is my y also? What is my y? Minus 3 y squared. Minus 3 y squared. Plus 10 2x to the exponent 3. And my y will be minus 3 y squared. Don't forget to square, guys. Plus 10, which is this one. 2x to the exponent 2, which is this one. And minus 3y to the exponent 3. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm somewhere here, I think. 10. Oh, I'm somewhere here. I'm on the 5. So it's gonna be 5, 2x, minus 3y squared to the 4. Don't forget to square this. Square root is important. Squaring is important, sorry. But my y to the 5. My y to the 5 is what? It's minus 3y minus 3y squared to the 5. So I can erase this part. I can erase this part, I can erase this part, and even this one. And say that my answer is x to the 5 plus 5 to the 4. Okay, sorry guys, my answer will be 2 to the 5, which is 32, x to the 5. So, and then my second answer will be 5 times 2 to the exponent 4, which will be 80. 80x 4, and then here is just minus 3. So 80 times minus 3, it's a minus 240. So here is minus 240 x4 y squared plus 10 times 2 to the exponent 3, which is 80, times minus 3 squared. It will be 720, which is this one. So it will be 720 x3 y to the 4. 2 times 2, y to the 4. So it will be plus again this part, which is just 10 times 2 to the exponent 2 times minus 3 to the exponent 3, which is minus 1080 is this part. Minus 1080 x squared y to the 3. I can just say plus. I'm coming to this part right now. So it's going to be 5 times 2 times minus 3 to the power 4, which will be 810 x y. 4 times 2 is 8 to the power 8. Here I said squared here. Sorry guys, I forgot to add squared. So it will be 3 times 2, which is 6. So here it's 6 actually. So plus minus 3 to the exponent 5, which is minus 243. Y 5 times 2 is 10. So this is how you expand something like that.